Hello, everybody, and good afternoon. I was going to do a reading on this 6-year-old boy with autism, Scott Maddox, that has now been missing a couple days in North Carolina. It sounds like it was around Rankin Lake. Okay, so let's see what we get with this reading. Alright, so it is showing death here, that this child has passed away. Okay, so it was a murder. There was someone that took this child, and it sounds like a little distance from this area that he was at with his father or parents. I think his father and a friend were with him. Okay, so let's see if this is all correct so far. It is saying yes. Okay, so he was running, and his father lost sight of him. Okay, so this is correct. So the one that did this murder, then, this was a stranger, is this correct? Okay, so it looks like yes, so it was a stranger. So no one that this young boy knew. Is this right? This is right. Okay, so no one in the family, no friends, nothing like that. No, okay. Okay, so stranger took him. Now he's gone. He's dead. Okay, stranger. Okay, you can see there's some pull towards him now. The pendulum, I actually have my hand more towards me as the pendulum. There's a lot of, like a magnet towards Scott. Can feel it move towards him. Let's see what this is about. And it just keeps wanting to move towards him, okay? So, okay, so distance. He's a little distance from this Rankin Lake. Okay, so this is the feeling. Is it very far from it? No. Is he near water? Okay, so he is. He's near water, the body. Body is near water. Is it in the water? No. Okay, so is it on the banks or something? Huh. Sounds like there's something like that, okay? Ground earth is still being heard. Ground earth. Okay, so Scott, okay, he doesn't want to have his, doesn't want his name put out there. Is that what this means? No. Okay, so there's a feeling of that, but that sounds like that's not exactly it. So let's wait a minute here. Scott, he wants to be, he wants to be safe. He wants to be safe is the feeling. He wants to be safe. Time now, though, he is, he is feeling a little shaken. Let's see if this is right. Yes, shaken up. Okay, he feels shaken up, and he has his saying. He has some saying or something. He has a saying in him, okay? Something that is making him feel better. Something he's saying to himself, it sounds like. Could be something he said in life. that's making him feel better now. Okay. So he has a earth ground. Is the feeling coming from Scott? Earth ground near water. Earth ground near water. This is where my body be. Okay, so let's see if this is right. This is where my body be. Park. Okay, park is park. Feels like a bit of travel in there. Okay, this feels right. Wow. Anything else that can come from Scott's reading right now? Want my home. Okay, want my home. I would like my home, and I like to be in place of safety. Okay, so let's see. Is he not feeling safe now? Let's see what is this right? Okay, so he doesn't feel safe now. Because he just doesn't know what's happening right now with his life and things. Okay, so he's confused. He is not able to put together things, well, he is autistic too. So, okay. So let's see where things will go for Scott, if there's some that, spirit or energy that will come and be of assistance to him. Will that happen for Scott? Okay, it's showing a yes. And it does show time, so it is moved away a little bit from his image, circling as a yes, that he is right now in a state of, again, feeling just adrift or lost. Okay, it's getting very heavy now, so let's see what happens. Okay, so want to be home. Oh, I want to be home, he's saying, and my mommy or my daddy want to be there. Okay, want to be there. Okay, so, boy. So with this feeling, though, it sounds like there is going to be some aid to him, some spiritual aid. Let's make sure this is right. Okay, so that's saying yes. So we could always look into this later and see what happens. When people first, this happens to them, they're in a lot of different states, sometimes shock, disbelief, not knowing what's happening, all sorts of things. And so this sounds like with Scott, he's, I can only put out what's here as it comes with the energy. Okay, so again, bring me home to my family, please. Bring me home. Does he know what happened to him and that his body has passed? Is he aware of this? Okay, so you can see, yes, so he does know. He knows that he's not in, in his regular life right now. Okay, he knows this. And it's just feeling, he's feeling mixed up about the whole thing, like, shaken up. I just keep hearing and feeling shaken up. Okay, so does he know that there will be some aid coming to him soon? Does he feel any of that around him? Okay, so he's not feeling that yet. He will feel it, though. We don't want to leave someone in such a state. Okay, so yes, it will come forward. So, let's give this some time. Probably is a good thing. Anything else that can be said here? anything else? Okay, so not really. You know, that would illuminate things now. Anything else? But, you know, we can come again and revisit this in a bit, you know, after there's more closure to it, and check in again. It sounds like that's good. I do see, you know, some light around him, or like there's angel arms that, you know, it's just not quite, I guess, you know, hasn't been able to fully penetrate due to his confusion and state that he's in now, but it's there, it's ready and waiting. And so we'll just wait and give it time, let things settle. But there's a lot of feeling of love that's there surrounding him, and that will come more and more forward for Scott. So let's hope again that there's closure to this very sad case very quickly. Take care now. Bye.